PHP syntax. A PHP script is executed on the server, and the plain HTML result is sent back to the browser. Basic PHP syntax. A PHP script can be placed anywhere in the document. A PHP script starts with PHP and ends with PHP. // code goes here. The default file extension for PHP files is .php. A PHP file normally contains HTML tags and some PHP scripting code. Below, we have an example of a simple PHP file with a PHP script that uses the built-in PHP function echo to output the text "Hello World" on a web page. For example, doctype HTML. This is a basic syntax in HTML. PHP. Echo "Hello World." Note, PHP statements end with a semicolon. PHP case sensitivity. In PHP, keywords, if, else, while, echo, classes, functions, and user-defined functions are not case-sensitive. In the example below, all three echo statements below are equal and legal. For example, PHP. Echo "Hello World." BR. Echo "Hello World." BR. Echo "Hello World." BR. Note, however, all variable names are case-sensitive. Look at the example below. Only the first statement will display the value of the $color variable. This is because $color, and $color are treated as three different variables. For example, PHP. $color equals red. Echo "My car" is $color BR tag. Echo "My house" is $color BR toy. Echo "My boat" is $color BR tag. Thanks for watching. If you like my video, subscribe my YouTube channel and share with friends.